Altadena, stay strong.
Yeah, stay strong.
We'll be back on the map, stronger than before.
Yeah, we'll be good. We're strong. We're a strong people here.
Been here 31 years because it was very quaint, private. We've loved being here for the last 31 years. The day that it happened was surreal, heart-stopping, unbelievable. Just didn't make sense, didn't add up, because we've been up here 30 years. We've seen fires come through up on the hills, but it was very disappointing, frustrating, but here we are, and we're looking at the light at the end of the tunnel, and hopefully just have faith and keep moving forward. We've been watching what you guys have been doing around town, and it looks really good. My neighbors have been cleaned up. Been real happy with the way that result is, so I'm looking forward to having that process, get to that process so we can start the act of rebuilding. Right now, that's the game plan, to stay and rebuild and start over and see how that goes.
Strong.
Altadena has been very strong. They've been very, it's been a good community, especially the street. It's a 1 block long street, and the neighbors are pulling together. We're seeing different neighbors that we haven't seen before. We've got new neighbors and older neighbors, and we're helping each other.
How I handle the crisis is that I have a lot of faith, and so my faith has pulled me through. So I look forward to the future. So we're trying to build and look for the future. That's my advice to people is look forward to the future. Don't remain stuck on here.